Okay, students, coming back to story, what happened when Lysander expressed his love to Helena? Actually, she became angry. I'm reading from the page. But his words made Helena angry. She knew Lysander was her friend's lover and had promised to marry her. Oh, why do you mock me? She cried. Is it not enough punishment that I can never get a sweet look or a kind word from Demetrius? Why do you pretend to love me? I thought you were a lord of greater kindness than this. Helena turned and ran away. Lysander followed, forgetting Hermia, who was still asleep. When Hermia woke up alone in the darkness, she was afraid. She began to walk through the wood, but did not know where to find her lover. Demetrius was also searching the woods for Hermia and Lysander, but he grew tired and fell asleep. Oberon, who had questioned Puck very carefully, now knew that he had given the love juice to the wrong person. He found Demetrius asleep and put the love juice onto his eyelids. At the very moment that Helena found him, Demetrius opened his eyes and fell in love with her. Lysander appeared closely followed by Hermia. Lysander again told Helena how much he loved her. The astonished Helena thought that her friends were plotting against her and laughing at her, but Hermia was as surprised as Helena. I do not know why they both love you now, she said. I only know that they both used to love me. Cruel Hermia, Helena said, you have persuaded Lysander to mock me with words of praise, and you have also persuaded Demetrius, who used to love me, to speak words of love to me again. How could you do this? Have you forgotten that we are friends? Have you forgotten that we grew up together and have always been together? I am astonished by your angry words, Hermia replied. I do not mock you, Helena. It is you who are mocking me. You pretend to be serious when you look at me, Helena replied. But when my back is turned, you laugh at me with them. If you had any pity for me, you would not treat me like this. So students, it was a time when Lysander, under the magic spell, expressed his love to Helena, and this made Helena very angry. She thought that Lysander is making fun of her. So Helena ran away, followed by Lysander. In the meantime, Oberon came to know the mistake of Puck. He ordered Puck to go again and now pour the love juice onto Demetrius' eyelids. By the time Helena found Demetrius, he woke up and fell in love with Helena. Then Lysander and Hermia also came, and a big misunderstanding and a quarrel between the two couples started. Okay, so let's come back to story. While Helena and Hermia were quarreling, Demetrius and Lysander went into the woods to fight each other for Helena's love. Seeing that the young man had left them, the two women went to look for their lovers once again. All this time, Oberon and Puck were listening to their quarrels. This is your fault, Puck, Oberon said, or did you do this for sport? Believe me, King of Shadows, Puck answered. It was a mistake, but I am not sorry this has happened. I am enjoying listening to their quarrels. You heard that Demetrius and Lysander have gone to look for a place to fight, Oberon said. I order you to fill the wood with a thick mist so that they will get lost in the dark and not be able to find each other. You must speak to each one and disguise your voice so you sound like the other. They will both follow you. When they are so tired that they can go no further and fall asleep, drop the juice of this other flower into Lysander's eyes. When he wakes up, he will forget his new love for Helena. He will love Hermia again. Then both the ladies will be happy because Demetrius will still love Helena. They will think this has all been a dream. Go quickly, Puck. I shall go and see what sweet love my Titania has found. The fairy queen was still sleeping. Close by was a man who had lost his way in the wood and was asleep. Beside him was an ass head because this man had taken part in a play that night. This man shall be my Titania's true love, Oberon said. He put the ass head over the man's head. It woke him up, and half asleep he went towards the place where the fairy queen was sleeping. Ah, what a beautiful creature I see, Titania said, opening her eyes as the spell began to work. Are you as wise as you are beautiful? So students, when Hermia and Helena were quarreling, Demetrius and Lysander went into the woods for a fight. Puck and Oberon were watching and listening the whole scene. Oberon ordered Puck to stop the fight by creating a false fog. इन्हें धुंध create करनी थी so that Lysander and Demetrius won't find each other. And then when Lysander fell asleep, Puck dropped the love juice onto his eyelids so that he may fall in love with Hermia once again. Oberon then went to see his queen Titania and saw a man with an ass head sleeping beside her. Under the magic spell, Titania fell in love with that man.